Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel TechArts. So today I will show you how to enable dark mode from your iPhone's WhatsApp Messenger. But my doubt is there is any special option is available to enable this dark mode? Because most of the YouTube video shows just activate your iPhone's dark mode and then you get the WhatsApp dark mode, which means that there is no specific setting is available to activate this feature. So for example, you can see this is my iPhone's WhatsApp. So now in the settings section, it does not have any dark theme or dark mode settings. So also I try to open this chat settings. So here it does not have this dark mode option. So and then I try to open notification settings. And this section also does not have this option. So anyway, how to get this feature? So just close your WhatsApp Messenger and then open your control center. So just swipe your mobile screen from bottom to top and then long press on your mobile brightness icon. So in bottom it shows the option called dark mode. So just tap on it. So once you enable this feature, now once again I try to open my WhatsApp Messenger. So finally you can see now my WhatsApp goes to dark mode. So my conclusion of this video is iPhones have one of the special feature and this is called as dark mode. So there is no need to enable this dark mode feature in each and every app. If you activate this dark mode, all of your applications are automatically turned to dark theme. So for example, I try to open my Instagram application and this app also have this dark mode. So friends, this is the one and only way to get this dark mode feature. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel TechArts, and thanks for watching.